because in their minds, they believed Nigeria had become a Muslim nation, 100%, which is why the Muslim ticket happened. And that is what gave him the audacity.
Máa wò pé báwo ni ti ìgò ṣe jẹ́. Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí. Ẹ fẹ́ wò kí tó fi hàn yín kẹ́ tó wo fọ́nrán yìí. Nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá a ti sọ sẹ́yìn ó jẹ yọ́ ń bẹ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Donald Trump. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ojú tán fi ń wò kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ojú tán fi ń wò, and as we always say, anybody ló ní entitled to say opinion lórí ọ̀rọ̀ kí Donald Trump wá àbí kó má wá. Ojú tá fi ń wò ló yàtọ̀ síra. Ẹ rí pé during Christmas, ẹ rí pé tọdún tó kọjá yìí ó yàtọ̀ díẹ̀ compare sí tọdún tó kọjá lọ́hùn. Àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí ni ọwọ́ tẹ̀ ní Christmas tó kọjá. Wọ́n pa wèrèwèrè sí wọn lára. Tẹ́ bá ṣàkíyèsí. Kì í ṣe pé bí àwọn ọ̀ṣọ́ṣẹ́ o, but ẹ rí pé kò wọ́pọ̀ bí ti tó ti kọjá sẹ́yìn. Ṣé Donald Trump ń gbìyànjú àbí kò gbìyànjú? Àwọn tó ń pariwo lọ́tùn lósì kí Donald Trump má wá. Donald Trump is against báwọn people ìbọn ṣe ń pa àwọn Kristẹni lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà. This is what I want you to know. Yes. Ẹ wò nígbà táwa lórí world media lẹ́ẹ̀ni tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, àwọn èèyàn máa ń gbé wa ṣépè lóríṣiríṣi. Àwọn ọ̀tá olóyè Ìgbòho, ẹ ti ń ṣolóṣèlú. I want you to know something. Àyàbá ni gbogbo eléyìí o. Mo fẹ́ fi fọ́nrán yẹn wá kẹ́ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wò. Tá a bá ní nǹkan ṣe, a gbọ́dọ̀ lo diplomatic wa. Àwọn olóṣèlú yẹn gbogbo wọn wà láì gbogbo wọn la ní ìdí wọn. Bó tẹ́ bá ti rẹ́ nìkan pẹ̀lú olóṣèlú lẹ́ni, ẹnìyẹn ti di olóṣèlú. Ṣẹ́rù gbórí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àìmọye nínú àwọn olóṣèlú yẹn tó jẹ́ pé lábẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ń ṣe Yorùbá nation, wọ́n lọ́wọ́ sí. Àìmọye nínú wọn tí wọ́n lè gbójú síta. Respect gbogbo èèyàn gbójú síta bí títí wa. Kò lè work bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fọpọlọ ṣe nígbà tá kì í ṣe àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò tá máa para wọn. Wọ́n ń pè wá lólóṣèlú. Mo rí àwọn ìpè tán ti gbé wa ṣẹ́ kì í ṣe díẹ̀. Àwa tá à ń gbójú síta la mọ̀ nǹkan tójú wa ń rí. Àwa la mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń face. Àwa ló mọ àwọn attack tá à ń rí. Ẹ á gbọ́rọ̀ ń sìn bí wọ́n ṣe analyze ọ̀rọ̀ Donald Trump. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ máa fi etí sílẹ̀ tẹ́ máa gbọ́ ń sìn. Torí mi ò lọ́rọ̀ tó pọ̀ láti sọ lórí fọ́nrán. Máa ti sọ everything, gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá a ti sọ sẹ́yìn pàápàá ló point out in this video, and I want you to listen now.
Nigeria had become a Muslim nation, 100%, which is why the Muslim ticket happened. And that is what gave him the audacity, the boldness to go to the United Nations, to forget about his nation and focus more on the things happening in 3,700 kilometers away, Palestine, right? That was what gave him that. So he was basically subtly, indirectly telling Israel, we have the capacity to help these people get free from you. And so Israel is now helping to bring that war to help Christians be free from you. And they will do it militarily. They will do it with intelligence. And when Israel tells you intelligence, remember the pager of what happened to the Hamas and Hezbollah guy.
Focus on the man in the checked shirt. In a moment, he's on the floor, wounded in the midriff. A pager in his bag or on his belt has exploded. CCTV from another shop shows a man check his pager before it too blows up at his side.
Electronic gadgets and all kinds of stuff. Intelligence sharing. And that's why you had the bombing that took place in Sokoto, where many of us didn't even know there was any terrorist base in Sokoto. Intelligence was on ground. Mossad has been on ground for as long as you can remember over this matter. You are trying to indirectly say we have the capacity to come and help the Palestinians, and they got the message. it. They are now coming in, not even telling you. They are now coming in because they have the capacity to also have the Christians in your enclave. And guess what? The second signal you send to them is two-state solution. So you better get ready. I'm not going to be very explicit about this one, but get ready, because the people who want three-state solution in Nigeria, where you're going to have almost 3 different nations pop out from Nigeria, get ready for that, because you're most likely going to end up with that. Everything you wished, everything you spoke about is now going to happen to Nigeria. Watch out. Cares not taken, you're going to see Biafra arrive any minute, and you're going to see other nations arise any minute. When you just when you thought we have gotten it all, just when you thought we've been able to subdue over 200 million people and nobody can talk again, just then, boom, they switched on you. This is why it's not good to celebrate too early. That outing at the United Nations is what has led to all of this. That's why Israel said the killing of Christians in Nigeria has got to stop. And then after that, as if that was not enough, Benjamin Netanyahu just said it again, that listen, we are going to have to get involved, open another front in order to help to protect Christians in Nigeria. I told you, Donald Trump, even some people in our base, some MAGA-based people are angry that they even feel Israel controls Trump. Trump is the strongest Israeli ally I've ever seen in the White House in all my life. I've never seen anyone who fought for Israel. I've never seen anyone who has supported Israel. I've never seen anyone who has defended Israel like Donald Trump. Anything that would affect Israel, he gets involved. That's why America is involved, and people were there talking about all kinds of nonsense, mineral, this, that. Do you know how much leverage America already has on ground in Nigeria that you're talking about mineral? Anything America wanted to get from Nigeria would have gotten it. This is about the risk that having a nation like Nigeria with the kind of oil wealth we have, having it being controlled by these terrorist elements, means that anything that anybody in Palestine needs to be able to fight Israel until Jesus comes, that they will get it from Nigeria. Nigeria will now become the #1 sponsor of terrorism against other people that are non-Muslims in Africa, and Israel is going to be the #1 target, because Nigeria will now become the #1 sponsor of terrorism against other people that are non-Muslims in Africa, and Israel is going to be the #1 target, because which other place are Muslims actually being threatened like that? It's basically in that Palestine. So, and to now have the vice president of Nigeria send secret codes in his statement. I don't know who wrote that statement. These people don't know how diplomatic statements are written. How they wrote it was too obvious. It's not even diplomatic at all. You were sending secret information, secret codes. That means we have gotten this place now. All the oil wealth is in our hands. So we are going to show you very soon that you cannot continue to do this to Palestine and get away with it. So it's no longer only Turkey or any other place. This is within Africa. All the oil wealth, billions, we're going to use it to support. And already they are bringing terrorists from all over the world into Nigeria. New terrorist organizations are springing up every now and then. So imagine the fear that Israel must have suffered. That's what spooked Israel, and Israel was like, you know what? That thing that is going to give them the capacity and the power to come and attack us and destroy us, or maybe ally with some other nations that are close to us in order to destroy us. That funding, we are going to cut away that funding source from them. So the best way to do it will probably be to balkanize Nigeria, break this one, break here, break there, and you have just one tiny little enclave where you people are practicing your Sharia, and that will be something that you got upon yourselves with your own mouth. And I know it won't stop you people from saying that it is Igbo people who did it. It won't stop you, but that is what you got upon yourself. That's why when I see people talking everywhere, this one will talk this one, this one will talk this one, this one will say this, I'll just be laughing at. I'll just be laughing. What do you know about geopolitics that you're claiming is this, is that? In my video before Netanyahu got involved, I told you that the fear is that these guys have already surrounded Niger Delta. They've surrounded eastern Nigeria, which is the oil belt of Nigeria, and in no time they will take over the places they took over in Borno and all those places. The mining sites there is being controlled by the terrorists. Imagine terrorists are controlling mining sites in Nigeria. It's not even a secret. So all the gold, what about the uranium in Sambisa forest? What about all these minerals? They are the ones controlling it. What then do they need money for that they will not get? So imagine when they now gain access to the oil, which is the big boss. There's nothing, they will fund any war against Israel in a heartbeat. That is no longer even speculation because your vice president went there to go and give them signal that this is potentially what you should be expecting. Boldly talking about two-state solution. Why not minding your own business, your internal issues? Speak about it, leave. Even if you are doing anything, you keep quiet. You are talking to Israel. Israel has now responded. So I hope that you guys will enjoy the ride because it's only just about to begin. I see Gumi, who is the chief terrorist sympathizer in Nigeria, who negotiates for them. I woke up today and saw a video where they say that someone called him from Abuja, Aso and told him that he's one of the people that President Trump is targeting to take out. After they have taken Maduro within just a few hours or minutes, everybody now is worried. I hear that even the Gumi has gone to delete all his posts against America on X and Facebook because they took Maduro. They don't know the might of America because America has been in the hands of some charlatans all these years. I told them this man in the White House is not your mate. He's not a child. He doesn't play. The Trump of the first term is different from this Trump. This Trump is here for what? To correct a lot of generational anomalies. That's what he came for. Too many generational anomalies are being corrected right now. But the way he's doing it, a lot of people do not understand. That's why they are so confused. Some are even angry in his base because they don't know. You need to get access to supernatural intelligence to understand the way this man is going. He's here to correct a lot of things. You may not like the optics, but believe me, you need to trust in the plan. He's here for good. It's for our own good. Do you remember how you people told me that I was sick in my head, that I was mad for supporting Donald Trump? Today, he's the reason many Christians today in Nigeria, in fact, all the Christians in Nigeria, he's the reason you guys are now smiling. You went through Christmas, New Year, no bombing, no killing, no coffins, caskets lined up everywhere. When was the last time we had Christmas in Nigeria that we didn't have dead bodies? That's how we used to celebrate Christmas in Nigeria. In the past years, recent time, that's all we've been seeing. Today, it didn't happen. On the same Christmas when they would have been killing us, Trump went to go and kill them. They said over 700 of them were massacred in one day, and they were on the run, running around the whole place. Do you know the amount of intelligence America already has on all these people, on their bases, on their secret bases, their sponsors? American CIA and Mossad most likely have been working together in Nigeria for months now, and you think you can run. You think it's your social media post that is going to make them believe differently. You think if you delete, after deleting, they won't know. They have information on every single soul. Everything you have done as far as terrorism is concerned, they know, they have it. Because now for Israel, this is a matter of survival. This is a matter of survival, a matter of life and death. It's no longer negotiable. Israel must step in because they know they can never leave the wealth of Nigeria in the hands of people who are threatening them subtly over Palestine. This is how Nigeria got themselves into this mess, and it turned out to be for our own good. So for people who don't believe in God, for people who don't believe that God answers prayers, this one is for you. Tell me, how did this guy get to the point where he had to go to United Nations to talk about Palestine, to take a swipe at Israel? It is God. It was divinely orchestrated because it's a no-brainer. Like, who are you to go? Focus on your own matter. You left it and you're talking. So that's how God wanted to deliver the Christians, because there was so much hopelessness in Nigeria before this happened. And now that hopelessness has disappeared. People are so hopeful now.
Ẹ ṣeun gan ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kò nídìí pé à ń bára wa jà àbí nǹkankan. Níbi tọ́rọ̀ dé ìta ká máa dúpẹ́ ni pé olóyè ti padà dé. Ẹ rí i pé tẹ bá ń ṣàkíyèsí, ẹ gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá Èkìtì sọ lẹ́yìn lórí world media. Àwọn Fúlàní ti ń sáfì ìlú wa sílẹ̀ torí wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe fìbẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ nà. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ń sọ̀rọ̀, àwọn ọmọ Mèyátì Àlà àwọn náà jáde wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé ojúṣàájú ni pé Ìgbòho ṣe Nnamdi Kanu ṣe ẹjọ́ kí ni Ìgbòho ṣe o. I want to see it. Nǹkan tí Ìgbòho ṣe, I want to see it. I want to know nǹkan tí olóyè ṣe. We want to know nǹkan ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí olóyè ṣẹ̀, a fẹ́ mọ̀. Nnamdi Kanu ó ṣò náà. Ìròyìn kan wà tí n bá fi hàn wá. Okay, bóyá mo ti close ìròyìn yẹn. Soludo ní tí wọ́n bá ṣọ́ra. Kí ló ń porúkọ ọjà tó wà lónìí ṣàǹṣe mami market náà pé ó ní òun máa dìmú ní ìṣe ẹ̀. state at home tó máa ń ṣe every Monday ta ló gbé síta kí n ṣe Nnamdi Kanu ẹ mọ ètò wọn lose every Monday. Do you know what they are losing every Monday? Ẹ mọ ètò wọn lose. Ẹ mọ ètò wọn lose. Ẹ mọ ẹ̀mí tó ti ṣòfò lórí state at home nígbà tó kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn kan ṣagídí àwọn tẹ̀mí wọn ti lọ sí olóǹkà. Nnamdi Kanu kọ́ ló bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ mọ àwọn ọmọ wọn tó ti pa ẹjọ́ àwọn mélòó ní Ìgbòho ti pàṣẹ kán lọ pa àbí ọjà wo ní Ìgbòho gbé tì nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìgbò. Ẹ mọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ẹ pé kò ṣe ń gbọ́ sí tí Nnamdi Kanu ti sọ lórí ayélujára tẹ bá rọ́lọ́pàá ẹ pa tẹ bá ṣe kíní kan ẹ pa. Wọ́n ní Ìgbòho lọ lé àwọn Fúlàní kò ṣe nílé wọn àwọn èèyàn ń pa wá lórí ilẹ̀ wa ẹni kọ́ fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ èyí táwọn ọmọ Ìgbò ṣe òjò yẹn lọ ni àbá àkíní bá àwọn Ìgbò ṣe lọ ń pa wọ́n nínú igbó pẹ̀lú màálùú wọn mélòó ní Ìgbòho ti pa abẹ́ yẹn tẹ́ ẹ rí ó clear ni ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ̀ clear ẹ má tẹ̀ fi wéra kò jọra wọn àtọ̀ àwọn mílítì àlà ń pariwo nígbà tí Buhari wọn àmì Buhari ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ wọ́n bá mú Fúlàní order from above wọ́n á release wọn àwọn Fúlàní tó pààyàn sínú oko àbí ẹ gbọ́ ìtàn arákùnrin kan tí wọ́n sọ pé Fúlàní lọ bá lóko tí Fúlàní ṣá aládàá tó gba àdá lọ́wọ́ Fúlàní tó fi ṣá Fúlàní pa sóko self defence kí ni wọ́n ṣe wọ́n ní wọ́n lọ́kọ́ lọ dájọ́ ikú fún wọ́n á mú àwọn Fúlàní wọ́n á ní kó fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ pé repentant Boko Haram wọ́n á kó aṣọ sí wọn lọ́rùn wọ́n á empower wọn Buhari ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ wá fẹ́ fi máa wéra wọn ṣójọra wọn ni ṣójọra wọn nǹkan tí Gúnmi ń sọ jáde lẹ́nu ṣé Ìgbòho sọrú ẹ̀ ṣé Ìgbòho sọrú ẹ̀ ṣé rí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí ó simple gan kò nídìí ẹjọ́ rírò lórí ẹ̀ àwa ọlọ́pọlọ àmọ́ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe òun la wá fi dúró ti olóyè Ìgbòho títí dọjọ́ ìná rẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tọ́lọ́run ò bójú wa jẹ́ lórí olóyè Ìgbòho. What are you telling me? Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ sọ? What do you have to say? Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ní tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ sọ? Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ní tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ sọ? Are you this glad because of ring light iná ring light yẹn ojú yún mi olófà mo fi lóko sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe mí ẹ ojú mi rè iná yẹn bright jù sí mi lójú that's why. So bó ṣe jẹ́ ní ìgò lójú ọmọ ọgbọ́n ìgò lójú ọmọ ọgbọ́n ẹ ṣáà ti máa rí kò jọra wọn ẹ má fi wọn wéra ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ gbọ́ lẹ́nu arákùnrin yẹn gbogbo àwọn plan Donald Trump àwọn àyàn wa lajú sílẹ̀ bọ́n ṣe ń pa àwọn kìrìsìtẹ́nì ṣé nǹkan tó dùn mọ́yàn nínú ni how many mọ́ṣáláṣí náà ti attack ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì náà attack kiri àwọn kìrìsìtẹ́nì náà dojú kọ wọ́n dẹ̀ ń pa wọ́n wọ́n fẹ́ islamize Nàìjíríà ó ti pẹ́ tá a tẹ́ ń pariwo yẹn wọ́n fẹ́ sọ ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà di ilẹ̀ mùsùlùmí wọ́n fẹ́ sọ di ilẹ̀ mùsùlùmí tó dẹ̀ lè work láyé táyé àfẹ́ parí kò lè work kàkà tá a fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀ á padà á lọ máa ṣiṣẹ́ ṣe kò lè work ẹ jẹ́ ká kó dànù ẹ jẹ́ ká tutọ́ ẹ̀ dànù ohun tó ọ̀rọ̀ ni correct ni ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa mo kí yín lógúnlógún no going back ní Yorùbá nation the next step tá a máa take á máa jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ ó ń rúgbó bọ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀ wọ́n ń pò kankan pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ tó bá ti jiná á máa jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ̀yin ṣàfọkàn ìbàlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yẹn lágbára Ọlọ́run ti ṣe yẹn torí this is the reason why wọ́n fi gbólóyè wá ẹ rò pé bàbá Ládọjà á wá wà lórí àpèrè wọ́n á máa pa àwọn ọmọ Ìbàdàn sí lọ́rùn bàbá Ládọjà ẹ rò pé kò mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé òun ní ọmọ tó ń train òun ní ọmọ tó lè kápá àwọn tó ń dá òun lójú á wá jọba tán wọ́n wá máa pa àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ sí lọ́rùn àwa dákẹ́ kò wá ní lọ gbé wọn wá kán wá gbà wọn sílẹ̀ kán wá gbà àwọn ọmọ òun sílẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ajínigbé lọ́wọ́ àwọn agbénipa wọ́n wá lọ gbólóyè tán ẹ wá ń ta ẹ wá ń rìn ní kíní kan they play ẹ wo ẹ bá wa pín ètò yìí káàkiri ẹ bá wa share ìwọ tó o ti follow me please ẹ bá wa subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí and comment yín ó wà very important and ẹ bá wa máa tẹ like náà akálàmágbòdì yín àwa ò jọra wa lójú o ẹ̀yin làá máa rí àwa làá máa wá lágbára ṣe lédùá.